Today I'm going to show you how you can use two WhatsApp in one Android phone. So I'm gonna show you the two methods for that. In the first one, open the Play Store and look for the WhatsApp business app. Install that one, and by this quick way we have two WhatsApp applications from the official source. That was the first method. Now the second one. Let's jump to the Two Accounts app in the Google Play Store. Install it and open. Now agree the terms and tap on the Allow. Now choose the WhatsApp icon and whole process starting automatically, and now we are creating the next WhatsApp application on this device. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.